Om Namaha Shivaya. Here you are seeing totally miracle Lord Shiva's and Goddess Parvati energy, conch pearl in 21 carat. Totally amazing. See, you can see clear image of your Shivalingam. You can see a clear Shivalingam here, old Shivalingam. Right, you can see a clear face of Goddess Parvati. So two eyes, nose, mouth, clear face of Goddess Parvati. Totally amazing. This. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. And this conch pearl is of AAA triple plus clarity. It's a wonderful, and it is also look like a third eye of Lord Shiva. See, it's also look like a third eye of Lord Shiva. Extremely high quality. Now I'll show under the light. See, under the light you can see the extreme, very fine structure under the light. Very AAA plus triple plus quality. Extremely high quality. See how high clarity under the light. Extremely high quality conch pearl ever collected from the Indian Ocean Puja conches. You can see a clear third eye of Lord Shiva. You can see a clear third eye of Lord Shiva and very clear Shivalingam. You can see the bottom, outer yoni, a clear Shivalingam, and it turned like this. It is clear Goddess Parvati face. Goddess Parvati face. Totally amazing collection from the Indian Ocean and extremely high quality. Extremely high quality. AAA triple plus quality, extremely very high quality conch pearl in 21 carat from Indian Ocean, showing the image of Shivalingam naturally, Goddess Parvati face naturally, and third of Lord Shiva naturally. Totally extremely full of Lord Shiva energy, totally amazing pearl collected from the Indian Ocean. By having this conch pearl in the hand, you can feel the extreme energy of Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati. Totally mind blowing conch pearl. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.